Good evening, everyone. Today's going to be a bit different. That's a lie. It's still an unboxing, but it's an unboxing about computer parts, which is going to be a series on this channel. Me building a PC. It'll be fun. So today I got my first component. It's not an ASRock. It is not. It's a AIO, and I don't know why Case King sent me this way. So yeah, let's go then. So there's a lot of air bubbles. Oh, let's go, Lollipop. Let's go. I'm gonna crack this one open. Let's fucking go. So I can sit down now. So this is the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 millimeters. Why did I bought this one? I was looking at a lot of ones. I was looking at the Corsair Nautilus 360, the thermocooler, Be Quiet, Lee, but I'm wanting something cheap, good, reliable, and aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, for $100, this is what you can get. This and the Nautilus was I was debating myself on those two. So yeah, this is for my notes because I don't understand too much of this. Don't come here and thinking, oh, benchmarks, setting it up now. No, this is just an unboxing by someone that doesn't understand this and the other computers you used to have or Macs. So don't expect too much of me. This is the box. This is some information regarding dimensions and all that. Labelings as well. It has like specifications, CPU block, radiator fan, turbine, and radiator. This one has a VRM fan, which the Nautilus didn't have, so that was also an important decision that I went for this one. And this is a little bit more width, so better cooling. Let's open it up. Oh, let's go. So we have this box here. Brings the thermal paste, AMD brackets, and that's pretty much it. Some CPU connections as well. Okay, let's close this up. We have another box inside. This is for the Intel ones where you have to attach the bracket underneath or behind the motherboard. So this is full on metal, sturdy as well. Let's close it up. we won't be needing that one. I'm not gonna tell you the specifications. I'm going for the builds, so you'll have to check that in the next ones. So let's bring the bad boy out. Jesus, this thing is fucking big. I didn't know it would be this big. I'm used to watching some YouTube videos on it, but Jesus. Let's. So this is the magnetic fan. There's a little fan on here, and this is how it connects. It's quite neat. It looks well. It's nice. It's plastic, but it's also quite neat. So this is the inside of it. Let's close it up. This now is the proper cooler. The copper that's going to be on the CPU, and on top of it, just for reference, so that you guys can see, it attaches like this on the CPU fan. This as well can be a bit moved, as you can see, not much, but it can. It's hard on the touch. So, and this just goes out like, oh shit, don't break it, like so. And the magnetic is fuck all strong. What the fuck? Now this big boy here, one of the things that also got me to go to the Arctic, it's because the fans already come pre-installed quite neatly, by the way. As you can see on this side, the fans come installed neatly. It's heavy, brother. It's very heavy. So, and yeah, this is it. Very subtle. Fuck off, this shit is heavy. Subtle labeling. Be careful with this metal because it's very flimsy and you might dent it like I did, which is typical for me. I usually break everything I touch. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Very nice. 99 bucks and one is in one.